You're glowing right now. Your body is emitting light, right this second, but you can't see it. Why? Well, the glow isn't like a flashlight or neon sign. It's faint, like a whisper in the dark, 1,000 times weaker than your eyes can detect. But what if I told you that this faint glow holds secrets about your health, your biology, and even how your body works at a molecular level? It's not science fiction, it's real, and it's happening inside every one of us. Imagine walking into a pitch-black room. No lights, no distractions, just complete darkness. You wave your hand in front of your face, and nothing. But what if, just for a second, you could actually see the faint outline of your own hand glowing? Not because of magic or some radioactive accident, but because of the natural processes happening inside your body. It turns out, this isn't just a thought experiment, it's a scientific fact. Every single human body emits light. This phenomenon, called biophoton emission, happens because of chemical reactions inside your cells. It's not just humans, either. All living organisms, from plants to animals, give off this faint glow. But here's the twist, this isn't some useless quirk of biology. Researchers are discovering that the light our bodies emit could reveal groundbreaking insights into how we live, how we age, and even how diseases like cancer begin to form. And here's the best part, technology might soon make this invisible glow visible to the naked eye. So, what exactly is this glow? Why can't we see it? And how could this discovery revolutionize the future of medicine? The problem is simple, we glow, but we're blind to it. This faint bioluminescence is a side effect of the constant battle happening inside our cells. Every second, trillions of chemical reactions are keeping us alive, breaking down food, fighting off infections, repairing damage. And in the process, tiny particles of light called photons are released. But here's where it gets tricky. The human eye isn't sensitive enough to pick up on this glow. In fact, the light our bodies emit is about 1,000 times weaker than the dimmest light we can see. So, while you're technically glowing, it's like trying to spot a firefly during a bright summer day. It's there, but it's impossible to notice. This raises a fascinating challenge. If we could somehow capture and analyze this invisible glow, what could it tell us about ourselves? Could it show us when something's wrong, before symptoms even appear? Could it help doctors diagnose diseases earlier? That's exactly what scientists are trying to figure out. Let's start with the science. The glow comes from a process called oxidative stress. Every time your cells produce energy, they use oxygen. But sometimes, this process creates unstable molecules called free radicals. To keep things in balance, your body uses antioxidants to neutralize these radicals. When this delicate balance tips, when there are more free radicals than antioxidants, your cells start emitting tiny flashes of light. Think of it like static electricity, but instead of sparks, it's photons. Interestingly, this glow isn't random. Studies have shown that the intensity of biophoton emission changes throughout the day. Researchers in Japan discovered that human bodies emit the most light during the late afternoon and the least at night. It's all tied to your body's circadian rhythm, the internal clock that regulates everything from your sleep cycle to your metabolism. But here's where things get even cooler. This glow isn't just about daily rhythms. Scientists are finding that it might act as a kind of health fingerprint. For example, people with certain diseases, like cancer or diabetes, emit more biophotons than healthy individuals. Could this be the future of diagnostics? Imagine a world where instead of invasive tests or expensive scans, doctors could simply measure your body's glow to detect early signs of illness. It sounds like science fiction, but the technology is closer than you think. Here's where everything clicks. In 2009, scientists at Tohoku Institute of Technology used ultra-sensitive cameras to capture the first-ever images of the human body glowing. The pictures were incredible, faint, ghostly outlines of light radiating from the face, hands, and torso. And what's even more fascinating? The glow wasn't uniform. Some areas emitted more light than others, depending on factors like stress levels, diet, and even mood. this discovery is a game-changer. It proves that biophoton emission isn't just a random byproduct of living, it's a dynamic signal that changes based on what's happening inside your body. Imagine being able to monitor your health in real time, just by analyzing the light you emit. Feeling stressed? Your glow might dim. Eating a healthy diet? Your glow could brighten. Researchers are now exploring how this technology could help detect diseases like Alzheimer's, where changes in biophoton emission might appear years before symptoms. So, here's the big takeaway: you are glowing, even if you can't see it. This faint light is more than just a cool biological fact, it's a glimpse into the incredible complexity of the human body. It's a signal of your health, your emotions, and the constant interplay of life happening at a cellular level. And while we might not be able to see this glow with our eyes, science is bringing us closer to a future where we can. A future where your body's light could save lives.